really think this is my hair, period. With the K, come back to you guys with a new video. So today's video is all about my reinstall of my tape-ins, and we went a little bit lighter. We had a little bit of highlights, nothing too crazy, nothing crazy, and we did a bust down middle part, but I also can do a side part where you guys will see that in the rest of the video. I went to my stylist. Shout out to Nisha. I will leave all information on the tape-ins as well as my stylist and all that information down in the description box below, so you guys can check that out. But before we head to the salon, y'all will technically head back to the salon because as y'all see, my hair's already done. It was not looking like this before. Y'all was very good. But thank you so much to Better Length for sponsoring today's video. Y'all know I love Better Length hair. It's nothing new over here. I love their kinky coarse line. I love their clip-ins. Right now I'm rocking their tape-ins. I just love how seamless. Y'all will see. The install was seamless. She said it was so easy to dye, all those things. But enough of me chatting. I will holler at y'all at the end of the video. But make sure you guys check the description box because the tea is there. Links, codes, maybe a coupon code. All right, let's head back to the salon. Back. It's giving very much luxury, period.
But I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe. And you deserve to see the world. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Cause I'm taking you.
Hey y'all, Cameron jumping in here. So y'all, you already know Better Length hair is just not new to my channel. It's not, okay? I've been using them for years. I love their tape-ins, their clip-ins, their bundles, okay? Call me a Better Length girl. So seriously about these tape-ins, I love them. This is actually the second time I'm using these same tape-ins. If you want to see that other video, I will leave it linked. But yes, you can reinstall your tape-ins. You gotta take care of them though, okay? So they sent me their kinky coarse texture, which is my favorite texture for them. I love this texture across all of the hair that I've used from their company. They also sent me 2 bundles of their tape-ins, and each bundle has 40 pieces, about 40 pieces. So how tape-ins work is you will see that she will first lay down one tape, which has a sticky side. Think of like actual tape where one side is sticky and the other side isn't. Then you will lay a thin layer of your own hair. I suggest having a professional do this, but this is what she's doing. Then you're gonna lay a second piece of the tape in, again, sticky side to sticky side, but there will be a little thin piece of your hair in between to lock it all in and make sure that it's staying on your head. I, again, suggest going to a professional. I'm not saying you can't do it, girl, but professional me, okay? For the highlights, literally, I just sent her a picture and she did them. I'm so sorry, I don't have much more information than that, but reach out to her. I will leave her information down below so you guys can reach out to Nisha because she did her thing. Also, the color of the tape-ins is just natural color. So I may or may not have a coupon code. So yeah, I love tape-ins, y'all. No complaints so far. We are weeks out by the recording of this video, but I will probably do an update. Let me know if you guys want to see that. What? Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. Sorry. You did that on purpose. Oh, yes. I just love the sideburn. This looks so good. That's wild. I love the color. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I feel like I didn't go as detailed as far as showing you guys the full process of her installing them, because I do have another video if you guys have not seen that of the first time we installed these same tape-ins. It's the same tape-ins. I just washed them and then she dyed a few of them to get this highlighted kind of look that we're going for here, which I love. Also, I'm coming to you guys a week, a workout, and some traveling later, and the hair is still very much giving. I just use dry shampoo at night before I work out so that it can kind of soak up some of the sweat. But we're just going for a little behind the ear action, nothing crazy, a little tangly but nothing crazy. I really love it. I love the hair, I love the highlight, I love a tape in. I'm sorry, it's just so seamless. Girl, I think it's my hair. It's kind of a problem. You know what? Y'all don't try it. I'm just kidding. I really think this is my hair. I think it's my hair. And we're going to see if I can make it last longer than last time. Last time I had them in for 4.5, almost 5 weeks, I believe. This time we're trying to go for at least a 6-week mark or full 5 weeks, something like that. But I love it. I haven't washed or anything yet. If you guys want to see some updates, let me know if I can do an updated video later on, or I'll integrate it in a vlog if you guys are subscribed, which you should be. But yeah, I love the hair, period. Oh, period. Oh. Oh. Let me know if you guys have any questions about the tape-ins or about the process. Does my hair kink up a little bit? Yes, because my hair is natural still. I'm still natural, y'all. I haven't put any heat on my hair. Like I said, I'm a week, a travel trip, and a workout in. I have not put any heat on here, but I will be curling it soon. I can't wait. I'm so excited because I've been wearing this straight because I just love the sleek straight. I'm rambling. Anyway, thank you to Brother Length again for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment some questions. Thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you don't know, you better find out. I always end my videos with an affirmation. So if you did make it this far in the video, comment below this affirmation. I look good. Because you do, period. Let me tell you, I got my hair done. I don't know how to act. I don't know how to act. I'm gonna run that back one time for the one time. We kept it simple in today's affirmation. I look good. And you do too, boo. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Later.